These are 10 of the most endangered animals, along with their origins and the main reasons why they are endangered. 1. The Amur leopard. They originate from Russia and northeastern China. There are about 100 left in the wild, although a few hundreds are in captivity. They have very beautiful spotted fur that makes them a target for poaching. Amur leopards are also at a risk of losing their habitat due to deforestation and human encroachment. Climate change also affects their prey availability. Next is the Javan rhino. These originate from Java, Indonesia, and only about 76 estimated are left. They are at a risk of being endangered because of habitat destruction from deforestation and human settlement. Their horns are also being poached and used in traditional medicine. Javan rhinos are limited in population with low genetic diversity. The third animal species at a risk of being endangered is the vaquita. They originate from the Gulf of California, Mexico, and less than 20 remain in the wild. They are mostly endangered due to bycatch from illegal gillnet fishing. Their habitat are also at a risk of degradation due to industrial activities. In addition, they have a critically low population, making recovery challenging. The Sumatran orangutan are another species of animals at a risk of being endangered. They originate from Sumatra, Indonesia, with just over 14,000 in existence. These set of animals are mostly at a risk of being endangered due to deforestation for palm oil plantations. Illegal hunting and sale of live animals, pet trade, also contributes to this. Forest fires exacerbated by climate change are also a major contributing factor to their endangerment. The next species of animal to speak about is the mountain gorilla. This animal species originates from mountainous regions of Uganda, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. There are just about 10,000 of these animals left in the wild. They are endangered due to habitat loss from agriculture and logging activities. They are also at risk of poaching for bushmeat and transmission of disease from human contact. Number 6 is the hawksbill turtle. These originate from tropical oceans and generally can be found worldwide. There are conflicting numbers of these species of turtle left in the world, but it is a known fact that their population is fast decreasing. They are on the list of endangered species due to illegal wildlife trade for their shells. In addition, climate change affecting nesting beaches, pollution, and accidental capture in fishing gear impacts negatively on these species of animals. Number 7 is the Sumatran tiger, which originate from Sumatra, Indonesia. They are endangered due to their fur and body parts, which are quite lucrative to poachers. There are just about 600 adult of these tigers left in the wild. Their home is at risk of deforestation for palm oil and agriculture. In addition, humans encroach on their territory, and this causes a conflict where the humans will be at an advantage. Saola is next, and are known to be another set of land mammal that are endangered. They originate from Annamite Mountains, Vietnam, and Laos, and are known to be around 750 left in the wild. They are usually hunted and trapped for local bushmeat. In addition, their habitat are fragmented due to road construction. They are rarely seen, and this makes conservation efforts difficult. Yangtze finless porpoise are also critically endangered. They originate from Yangtze River, China, and there are about 1,000 left. Their existence is threatened by water pollution from industrial waste. Overfishing also reduces their food supply. Ship traffic causes injuries to these species of animal, and their habitat are generally disturbed. Cross-river gorilla are the last group of animals to be discussed today. They originate from the forests along the border of Nigeria and Cameroon. Their population have unfortunately been reduced below 300. The cross-river gorilla are at a risk of losing their habitat because of logging and agriculture. They are also poached for bushmeat despite conservation laws. They are a small, isolated population, making recovery slow. These critically endangered species represent diverse ecosystems, but share common threats such as habitat destruction, illegal hunting, and human interference. Conservation initiatives like anti-poaching laws, habitat restoration, and awareness campaigns are crucial for their survival. Without immediate action, these species face a high risk of extinction in the near future. Let me know in the comments section how else you think we can prevent extinction of these species.